Hello everyone, this is your tutor Jainam Patani and today we'll be creating cat catching mouse game. Okay, so yeah, let's start with it. Okay, so basically we'll be starting with introduction of this platform. The name of this platform is Scratch. Okay, in extreme left hand side, this section, if you can see, then we call this section as a toolbox. Why? Because it contains lots and lots of tools. Okay, basically we have got lots and lots of codes over here. Okay, what we'll be doing, we'll be writing all these codes over here. So wherever I put my code, okay, this whole middle section, it is known as workspace, where we'll be putting all the codes. Okay, now I put some code. So where will I see its output? I'll be seeing its output in this stage. Okay, so basically this is the stage and I'll be seeing output over here, or my result of the code which I have written. Okay, from this sprite, from this icon, I can add sprites and character. Like I'll be adding a mouse and cat. This is one mouse and this is one cat, and I'll be also adding a background which will be particular for this game. I think which will be the perfect for this. Let's see. Maybe this woods. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with adding one background and I'm adding with these two characters. Okay, let's start writing the code for it. Now what do I want? I want this mouse to follow like wherever my pointer goes. Okay, so let's start with it. First I'll be assigning it as a position. Okay, I want this mouse to be over here. Okay, wherever it is. So when green flag clicked, go to this position. Then what do I want? I'll be saying, hey mouse. So I'll be saying I'll be putting a loop, forever loop. Okay, why am I putting a forever loop over here? Because this is a continuous process. I want my mouse to follow my mouse pointer and yeah, throughout the game. So this is a continuous process. That is why I'm using a forever loop. Okay, now the question arises, what is loop? Loop is something which repeats the code forever. Right now this is forever loop, so it will be repeating the code, same code forever until and unless we click the red flag. There are many other loops, repeat 10 times, so it will be repeating the code for 10 times. Okay, and then the loop breaks. So yeah, what do I want? First I want this mouse to point towards my mouse pointer. So there is a code point towards mouse pointer. That means it will be pointing towards my mouse pointer. So it is pointing towards my mouse pointer. Yes. Now what do I want? Now I want it to glide towards it. Means, what does the word glide means? Moving from one place to another. Okay, so let's write to glide 0.1 seconds. Okay, to mouse pointer. Now see. Okay, now this is 1 second. It's a bit slow movement. 0.1 will be the perfect according to me. Let's run it and see. Okay, I think this is perfect. Okay, yeah, I think this is perfect. Now what do I want? Now I'll be writing the code for my cat, that I want this cat to go towards my mouse pointer. Okay, so basically if it is going towards my mouse pointer, it is going towards the mouse, this particular mouse, right? So yeah, let's write the code for it. So when green flag clicked, first thing is I'll be assigning it a position. Suppose I want it to be over here, so I'll be putting go to. So basically what's the coordinate is 150 on x-axis. It just says the coordinates in which my cat is present right now, 150 on x-axis and minus 104 in y-axis. Okay, perfect. Now what do I want? Again a forever loop, because this is a continuous process. Point towards my mouse pointer. What else? It will be pointing towards it and it will be moving towards it. Just it won't be moving as fast as this mouse. I'll be making it a 0.8. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is random position. It should be mouse pointer. Okay, now it's working perfectly. Okay, let's make it 0.7. Okay, now I have to write the code that whenever this cat touches the mouse, then what do I want? So I'll be writing the code when green flag clicked, forever loop, since this is a continuous process. Inside that I'm putting one condition. Okay, so inside over here I'm putting a condition that if this cat touches the mouse, then what do I want? Then the game is over. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just writing stop all, or I can simply broadcast a message which is game over. And what I can do is, when I receive, so basically I have set computer when you'll be broadcasting a message game over. Now computer doesn't know what to do when it receives the game over, right? So I'll be saying when you receive game over, computer, you'll be putting a message like say game over, and simply you'll be stopping everything. Simple as that. Same thing we'll be doing over here. Let's run it once. Okay, now everything is stopped, and yeah, we are done with our game. Okay, I hope you have understood the lecture, all the codes, all the logic and all the concept. Okay, so this is Zainam Patani signing off.